Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you this quick and easy note card that I created using our 2025 in colors. This note card uses the Pretty Florals stamp set along with the Right Word stamp set. Images like this are great to team up with your favorite sentiment sets. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how to get started. I'm going to start with my stamping for this project, so I'm going to bring in my sentiment, thinking of you, and I'm going to stamp that right here in the top right hand corner. Then I'm going to bring in my detail flower, and I'm going to add that right below it, like so. And then I'm going to bring in my solid image, stamp it off, twist a little bit, and stamp. I've got my floral image there, and I just need my greenery, so I'm going to ink that up in the green and stamp like so. Now that I have my stamping done, I can start assembling. While I had my ink pads out, I went ahead and stamped my envelope and the inside of my card. Next, I'm going to adhere my designer series paper strips. You can decide which patterns you want to show. The choice is up to you. They're double-sided, so you can choose which ones that you like better. I'm going to adhere this larger strip to the bottom of my panel. Like so. And then I'm going to take my middle strip and adhere that on top, right in the center. And then I'm going to take my last strip, which is the other side of that beautiful floral, and adhere that like so. I'm going to flip this over and adhere it to my mat, bring in my card base and fold it and burnish, and then adhere this down onto that. Now somehow or another I got an oops underneath my sentiment, but we can fix that quickly and easily with these beautiful in color dots. So I'm going to pick up the little one here and put it right here over that, and the large one I'm going to take and put it over here, and then the medium one, I think I'll take it and place it right here to the right of the flowers. Quick and easy, so that I've got that mistake covered up. I love that about stamping. It's easy to do. So there you go. We've got a quick and easy note card to send somebody special using our Darling Duckling in color for 2025. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.